Iris knicker kits have arrived, featuring Tilly and the Buttons organic cotton jersey fabric. Pick from 2 kit options, either our Rainbow Breton Stripe fabric with the option to finish the waist and leg openings with turquoise fold-over elastic, or our lilac and white wide stripe fabric with the option to finish your waist and leg openings with white stretch lace. The Iris kits include everything you need to sew yourself a pair of knickers in any size. Each kit includes your Iris knickers sewing pattern option, your main fabric choice, white organic cotton jersey lining fabric, your stretch lace or elastic, matching thread, and even a length of satin ribbon so you can create your own lovely bows. You can choose from multiple Iris knickers sewing pattern options depending on your requirements, like if you already own the pattern or you want a kit to go along with our Learn to Sew Knickers online workshop. Order your Iris knickers sewing kit at shop.tillyandthebuttons.com while stocks last.